No-Door Alpha is the latest innovation in the testing chamber industry. Instead of conventional chamber doors, the No-Door Alpha features a double laminated air curtain that allows physical contact and easy access of test specimens while controlling temperature and humidity inside the chamber. The unique honeycomb-shaped air vent creates a slow, stabilized airflow that prevents turbulence that could be caused when the operator is handling the specimen. Could you tell me the story behind the development of No-Door Alpha?
I received a request from one of our clients who was a printer manufacturer whether it was possible to create a chamber without a physical door, so a human operator can physically operate and perform tests on the printer under a stabilized environment. Taking this as an opportunity, I proceeded on developing this product with the belief that a unique feature that could potentially replace conventional chamber door could create a huge competitiveness and help us differentiate ourselves from other environmental chamber manufacturers.
But I have a feeling that we cannot get the accurate experimental data without having a door. What do you think about this?
The unique thing about No-Door Alpha is that there is no physical door. Instead, almost like an air shower, a layer of air is crafted on the front-facing plane so that the internal temperature environment is maintained with high accuracy.
Does that mean that the temperature and humidity inside the chamber won't be disturbed even when you put your hands inside to do the work?
Ultimately, it will depend on how much of the flow of the air curtain is blocked, but putting your hand into the chamber will only have a negligible effect on the temperature or humidity inside the chamber.
Is it okay to put my hands in during the high or low temperature conditions?
Although unlikely, under high temperature settings, the inner walls of the chamber could get hot enough to cause burns, as long as the operator is careful not to touch the inner chamber walls or use gloves during operation of the unit is fairly safe.
Could you explain about the temperature, humidity range, weight, size, and software used for the product specification and performance?
There are two types of temperature and humidity range, from -15 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius for small-sized units, and from -20 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius for large-sized units. The small unit is 950 millimeters wide, 1050 millimeters long, and 1690 millimeters tall, weighing 285 kilograms. And the large one is 1170 millimeters wide, 1290 millimeters long, and 1790 millimeters tall at 430 kilograms. RS-232C and RS-485 are the standard compliant external communication software.
What advantages does this product have over a normal chamber with a door?
The biggest difference is that if the chamber has a physical door, the door must be opened when the test object is handled, causing the temperature and humidity set inside the chamber to be altered. With the No-Door Alpha, various operations can be performed to the specimen without altering the environment inside the chamber, improving testing efficiency.
Did you have any consideration for the environment when developing this product?
From the beginning of development, we have adopted a system that reduces power consumption. In which industries do you mostly have your customers and gain your sales?
The largest being the printer industry, followed by the electronics industry and the optical lens industry. We have introduced the product to be used in various fields. Recently, we've received inquiries from the stationery industry for using the No-Door Alpha for writing tests of ballpoint pens and for measuring bond strengths of adhesive tapes.
What was the response and evaluation from the customers who purchased your products?
As expected, customers are most satisfied with the fact that the chamber has no physical door.
What is the most difficult thing when selling the product?
Since the concept of not having a conventional chamber door is fairly new, the most difficult thing is to convey the idea to our customers that it is possible to sustain a stable environment without a physical enclosure.
On average, how many product lots do the customers purchase? Or how long is the customer's replacing cycle and repeating the purchase?
Most of our sales are one unit at a time. Customers that are satisfied with the unit usually decide to buy 3 to 4 additional units. Since we take pride in our product's durability, we only recommend replacing a unit after approximately 10 years of use.
Are there any features planned to be added for the future?
We are working on expanding modification options to better tailor a unit to customers' specific requirements. Common requests we receive include adding cable port holes to both sides of the chamber walls and to extend the temperature range to reach even lower temperatures.
What do you think to be the most rewarding thing for you when selling the product?
I would be more than happy to hear that the No-Door Alpha helped solve customers' problems that could not be solved with conventional methods.